Slowly I get up, enjoying the last calm moments in the flower field. When I look around, straight lines are surrounding me. My feet touch a small path. I want to give you a flower. I'm standing in a room and hold the flower in one hand. The room seems empty, except for some pictures on the wall. Sun rays enter the room I'm standing in. I put my hands in front of my eyes to cover them. When I open my eyes again, strong colors and smells surround me. I'm lying in a field of flowers. The wind blows softly. Finally, I get to the end of the path. The trees are gone. Only the vacant tours remain. The whole landscape starts curling and floating. Mountains rise and cover the sky. I remember the different corners in the garden, its composition, the flowers, and the sound of the leaves. The mountains are rolling, and pieces are disappearing. Slowly I get up, enjoying the last calm moments in the road. It becomes warm.